What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In this video, we are going to be doing episode 2 of my Facebook ad series, essentially seeing how many leads I can get with so many dollars worth of ad spend. You guys have already seen the title, so we've kind of given away how much ad spend we used in this video. However, this is a special video because I was actually running Facebook advertisements for my buddy Tim. Tim is here with me now. Tim, how's it going, man?
That's going great, as always.
Right, let's go ahead and spoil the video for everybody. Were the ads successful that we ran?
Yeah, I think that would be an understatement to say that they were successful.
Right. So what we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna show you guys some of the message conversions that came through, some of the crazy things that people said, and just some of the scenarios that you're gonna come across whenever you're running these Facebook advertisements. At the end of the video, we are gonna show you the leads, how many leads we got on how much ad spend, and trust me, this is an absolutely crazy amount. I'm also going to add up all the potential jobs that we could have gotten off of this ad, because essentially the premise of what we were trying to accomplish here is we were trying to run Facebook ads for Tim to get him smaller jobs, painting garage doors, things like that, instead of doing whole exteriors. However, a lot of the people that were inquiring about Tim's services wanted the whole shebang, right, Tim?
I couldn't imagine if we were targeting big jobs what we would get, because I was targeting front doors, like, essentially, and we're getting full cabinet jobs. I mean, you'll see. You're about
to see. Absolutely. So if at any point in this video you guys are curious about my Facebook ad strategies, you can check the first link in the comment section and the description. We made a dedicated Facebook advertisements course. I'll walk you guys through every single step of the process, and as well as if you want to see the particular ad that we're running, you can check out the first link in the comment section and description. But let's go ahead and hop into some of these message conversions and see some of the crazy things that people were saying. Okay, so we're in here. We got the message conversions all queued up. First and foremost, Tim, this lady was inquiring, hello, I'm interested in getting a quote to get the exterior of their house done. So like I said in the beginning, what we're going to do is we were aiming to get small jobs here because Tim does large houses, and it ends up taking multiple days, right, Tim? Like a week or so.
A long time. And, you know, we got other projects we're working on the side, and then I have, like, you know, the 2 YouTube channels, and then I just, you know, I don't want to waste all my time working, you know.
Right, exactly. So the premise was we're going to get some small jobs. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate up. Tim's going to kind of give me some averages, and we're going to calculate it up. We spent $25 on this ad. The potential amount of money that Tim could have made if he followed up on every single one of these jobs is absolutely crazy. So, Tim, obviously there's not a lot to go off of here, but what would you estimate like just a normal house exterior would cost?
So like a single story exterior, I mean, and it's there's a lot of variables, but I guess a good, like, decent ballpark for a single story, let's say like a 1,200 square foot home, you're probably looking at about $3,500 to $4,000.
Okay, let's go on the small side. We're just going to say $3,500 for the first one.
$3,500.
Tim was busy and obviously could not get to this person. They said hello. Not sure if you saw my message. That happens sometimes when the lead flow is coming in like crazy. You just can't get to everybody.
Yeah.
So the second person basically said, "I'm interested. Can you tell me more?" Garage door and front door. To which Tim responded,
"If you can send pics, you know, I'll be able to give you an estimate." And then I asked where she's located. And then immediately after I said, or we can schedule an in-person estimate. Excuse all the typos, man. I got fat fingers.
Now, the reason why I wanted to include this is because sometimes these message conversions don't always pan out. A lot of times, especially when I ask people to send pictures, it's like asking them to do like something crazy because just people are lazy. And that's kind of what we're getting at on these Facebook ads, is sometimes even if you ask for it, they will not give it to you.
Also, I want to address, like, I could have really, like, sold it better. You know, I could have represented myself a little bit better. But at this point, it was like I had already had a week full of estimates. And it was like it would have been like 2 weeks before I could even try to schedule her in to go look at it. So that's why I was, like, asking for pics, because I'm like, man, I don't have time to go out to all these places. And if it's just a front door and a garage door, I mean, it's a simple picture. That's what my thought was.
Absolutely, Tim. I don't think you're in the wrong there at all. Really, this was a test, and the test worked out much better than we initially anticipated. So Tim asked for pictures. The person didn't come through with pictures. It happens. It's part of the deal. So the next one that we're going to get into, they asked where you located. Now, the reason why I wanted to include this is because it's so funny the amount of people that lead in with where are you located, as if like you weren't targeting them in the first place. And then as if you could give away your location and somehow they would know whether you would service their area. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know.
So they did follow up. Do you service blank area in blank? And then you said it was a little bit out of your radius, but you might be able to refer a buddy, the business. So This was another whole house, Tim. So I guess we're safe to go with 3,500. You know, assuming that it is a single story house, right?
Yeah, like good baseline price to start with.
Right. Okay. So far we're up to $7,000. Off of we spent $25 on this ad, so $7,000. Okay. We're not even scratching the surface. One thing I do want to mention as well is I didn't include all of every single person that we got. I really included all the houses because I wanted to show you guys the potential with the ad, as well as I included some of the quirky things that people were doing.
Yeah.
So the next person, we have a 2-door garage, and we would like black on it. Can you give us a quote, please? And you said, yeah, no problem. Where are you guys located? Tim, what would a quote on a 2-door garage be to put black on it?
So probably about $400. I'll let you know, at least $400. A minimum to come out and do something is a $400 job. I mean, you could probably come down to 300 if it's somewhere close, but I mean, I don't really like to even, jump in the truck for less than $400.
There we go. $7,400. On to the next one. The next one we had to cut out some of the beginning part because it was giving away some of the strategies. But the lady basically wanted to know, do you finance? Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to include this in here is because I just thought it was funny. Somebody asking you, do you finance? So first and foremost, Tim, do you finance?
No, we don't finance. But, I do take credit, which is what I responded with.
Okay, excellent. So as well as you actually went out and did a quote for this lady and you emailed her a quote to which she responded, do you finance? Now, if you guys are interested in seeing the quote, Tim actually filmed this particular quote and put it on his channel. We will have a pinned comment down below with Tim's channel if you guys want to go check it out and watch the in-person quote. It's a new series that Tim's doing on the painting channel. He's showing people exactly what his quotes look like. So that is a good one. Tim, how much was this quote so we can add it into the total here?
I might have to double check, but I think it was about $2,500.
Okay, $2,500. So that puts us at $9,900 so far. Let's keep going down. Hi, are you interested in getting a quote? I'm interested. Can you tell me more? Where are you located? Another where are you located question. So they said they have a house, 2-level, basically 3,000 square feet, outside paint job. So Tim, how much would this be?
I mean, easily like a $7,500 job. And I got a small crew, I don't have a bunch of guys working for me. It's me and like 1.5 guys, you know what I mean? So it's like, we're talking like a 5-day, 6-day job, man, and every bit of daylight going into that, it's
right. So we're currently at about $17,500 so far.
What about the cabinet jobs? I had some. Did you screenshot any of the cabinet jobs?
I think so. I might have. If I didn't, I know that there was like at least 2 people that wanted cabinets done. So we can kind of, add those in if we want to as well. Like I said, didn't include everything. So you guys are just getting, the good stuff, I guess. How much roughly for 2,300 square foot, 2-story home, want to change it to dark gray? Tim, how much on this one?
I mean, $6,500 to $7,500, man.
Okay. Everybody just give me a second to do the math on this one.
Even if I would go, I mean, even if like we've been saying $3,500 for a single story, even if it was $1,000 for a single, I mean, we're still talking like $10,000, I mean.
Right. And so keep in mind, everybody, we were advertising for small jobs here. So let's get into the next one. Hi, are you interested in getting a quote? Where are you located? We are in area operate out of blank. You guys paint cabinets. So I did include a cabinet one in here. Typical cabinet job, Tim, what do you think?
I didn't respond because cabinets are very labor intensive and they just suck up a lot of time.
Right.
I also charge a lot to do cabinets because it's something where there's like, you can't really make a lot of mistakes. They have to come out perfect. So
right.
Since I was advertising to paint a front door, which is like a 4-hour job, this is like a 2-3 week job. You know what I mean? It's like, I didn't even respond, dude. I mean, I was just like, I can't.
Right. But what would it be? Give us a roundabout quote, low ball it, whatever. You know what I mean? Just so we could throw a number up on the board.
So I don't want to give away my exact estimating strategy for cabinets, but roughly you could say $2,000. I don't know.
$2,000. Come on, we just need a number. That's all. $2,000. That's a modest quote, right, Tim? That's nothing out of the ordinary.
No.
Okay, so we're at $26,000 right now. We're getting close to the end here of all the ones that I screenshotted. This person said, I want to get an estimate to paint my whole house. So another whole house, probably to get it done early spring. He said where he lived. It's about 1,800 to 1,900 square feet with siding. I can send you pictures if you want. So Tim,
you're about, 20 anywhere from 2,500 to $3,000. I mean,
All right, let's say 3 grand, just to keep the numbers nice and round. We are now approaching $30,000 in quotes. I just want to say this one more time. This is on $25 of ad spend over the course of a week, about a week, right?
And these are modest estimates too. I mean, let's be honest.
Right. Now, granted, you wouldn't get every single one of these jobs, but in reality, if you got one job out of 25, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. And I mean, even if I was bidding the jobs to get them, like undercutting every other person in my area, I mean, we're still talking $10,000, dude. You know,
At least.
worth of work, potential work.
Right. So this person, I included this one because I just thought it was funny that she sent you so many messages at one time. Where are you located? I'm interested. Can you tell me more? What are your hours? I'm interested in getting a quote for a house painting, please. So another house painting, is it safe to say about 3,500 again, Tim?
I think so, man. Just, you know, I mean, standard single story. Yeah.
Right. So we are at $32,500. Here we go. On to the next one. We got this person right here. Hi, interested in getting quote. We're getting a little redundant here. 2,000 square foot home. Tim, what do you think?
Sure, man. We're talking thousands of dollars for each lead. I mean, easily. And it's like, if you were a brand new guy and you were bidding low, I mean, and you bid every job at $1,000, we're still looking at what? $15,000, $10,000. I mean,
easy. So can we put 3,500 for this one? Is that too crazy?
I mean, yeah, just do it.
Wait, let's do it. So that's going to put us at 36,000. Here we go. You guys can keep count with us, and we're about to get into the conversions. I don't want to show you guys just yet,
but that's just some of them. I don't even think you got all of them.
Okay, so okay, you guys. So we did not include every single quote. There was at least one other cabinet job that I didn't include.
There were jobs that I went out and bid, and you know, so I mean, but
right.
these, I mean.
If you guys want to see the bidding process, like I said, click through on Tim's channel. It's going to be Tim O Paints. It'll be the pinned comment. But with everything that we included here, right? I'm not even going to sum it up yet. Let's look at this real quick. This was all of the engagement and everything on the ad. So basically, I mean, this ad ran for a week, right, Tim? 1 week?
And I think we had it set up for 5 days, and I shut it down after 3 days. I'm pretty sure.
Something crazy. So $25 of ad spend, 24 conversions. That's about $1 a conversion. Whatever. If you want to be really specific, you can kind of do the math. A little bit over $1. Basically, we didn't include every single job. Just with the messages we showed you. If Tim landed every single one, quoting modestly, that is $36,000 of work on $25 of ad spend. Even if you were referring them out and getting 10% on each job, you're talking about $3,600 on 20. This is like a cash printing machine. You know what I'm saying?
It is, though. It is.
So if you guys want to see the exact ad that we used in order to get these results, click the first link in the comment section description. If you guys want to see Tim actually going out and quoting some of these jobs and kind of walking you through that process, click through to Tim's channel. Tim, any final thoughts for this, dude? I mean, how crazy was that?
Yeah, I was blown away. You know, I expected to get some jobs, you know, but I mean, I'm blown away. The strategy is just it works. I don't know what else to say. I mean, it works.
Right.
I mean, the proof is in the pudding, man.
That's it, dude. That's it. But here's the thing, dude. Some people are naysayers. Some people think that like I can't get leads. So you know what, dude? We're just gonna bring the leads to them, dude. We'll show them how many leads we can get.
I mean, it's a no. I know guys out there paying $50 to $60 a lead, whether they get the job or not. And then on top of that,
right?
Yeah, and then they're paying a percentage on top of the final invoice. So I'm like, I mean, there's a lot of potential here.
Hey, look, the price. I'm just gonna say the price of the course is $200. So if you landed even half of anything, like if you could throw a rock and probably hit somebody with these Facebook ads that wants to give you $200.
I mean, yeah, you pay the $200 within one job, you're gonna pay yourself back 10 times at least.
Right. So there's actually been some fires in Tim's area. So I think we're going to be actually running some pressure washing ads here really soon for Tim. So he's out in California. We're going to see if we can't land some pressure washing jobs out in California. We're definitely going to do another video for you guys on how well we were able to convert. But just go ahead and hit the like button for us if you guys do enjoy this series. Tim, do you have any words of the day for us?
Word of the day? I had one and now I lost it. But
what about 36K is the word of the day?
Let's do it. 36K.
36K. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below 36K, and I'll hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed.
Hustle hard and get that money, baby.
Peace.
Peace.